Hello, I'm Russell Nash. Welcome to Videojug. I'm going to show you how to play the chord of E minor. Always remember, before you play your chords, before you play your guitar, always remember to keep the guitar in tune. E, A, D, G, B, and top E. So this is E minor. This is a minor chord. Now minors are different to major chords in that I could try and explain how technically they work, but at this stage I think the main thing to remember is that they're a much sadder sounding chord. For example, I'm going to show you an E, quite nice and up and happy. The minute you take away the first finger, you'll hear that suddenly this lovely bright sound suddenly sounds a bit darker, a bit sadder. Listen. This is E minor. If you notice now, I'm using the second finger here. That's coming across to the second fret on the A string. The third finger, the ring finger, is now playing on the D string, also in the second fret. Everything else is played completely open. Because we're using the chord of E, the guitar is actually tuned in E, and so we can play every single string, starting from the bottom E. So let me just show you that once more. The middle finger goes here on the second fret on the A string, then the ring finger comes across here on the D string on the second fret as well. Now we're going to practice going from the major to the minor. This helps our ears to actually hear the difference between the two chords, a major and a minor. And it also helps us to get used to changing between chords. All I'm going to do is release the first finger from the third string, the G string, to create the minor. Starting with a down, down, up. And on with the first finger and pull off. And back on to the G string, and off, 2, 3, 4, on. And now you're feeling confident with this chord, no buzzing, humming, move on to another chord. So please, keep practicing, stay in tune. I'll see you next time on Videojug.